If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. In order to boost the airflow out of a furnace duct or a gravity feed duct from a wood-burning fireplace, you can use one of these. It's out of a computer. Every large PC has one. And when you scrap out the computer, you just need to take it out of there, and they're easy to remove. They're just 4 screws, or sometimes only 2 screws holding it in place. Now this one says it runs on 12 volts and 1.4 watts. 1.4 watts is 0.08 amps. And you can find a watts to amps converter on the internet. They're easy to find if you need to translate. So we're looking for now one of these so-called wall warts that's going to run this. Now this one says it puts out 12 volts at 500 milliamps. 500 milliamps is half an amp. Well, we only need 0.08 amps, so this is going to work just fine for this particular fan. And these fans do vary a little bit, so you'll have to read and see what it needs to run before you select one of these, because you don't want to get one of these that doesn't provide enough power. It's going to overheat. So now I've got one of these attached to my wood-burning fireplace. It's an airtight fireplace, and that's upstairs, and I'm going to show you just how well this seems to work. This vent comes from my airtight fireplace. As you can see, I have a fan mounted on here, and it's just held on by these 2 wires, this one and this one right here, and it's just hooked over the edge, so it's very easy to take on and off. And this fan is powered by, I'm going to follow the wire here over to this. Now this came off an old router that I had, and it delivers 12 volts at 2 amps, so there won't be any problem at all. In fact, this doesn't even get warm when it's running the fan. It's a very good choice. Now I've plugged it into a power box because that gave me a switch right here that I can turn on and off as I want. Now what we're going to do is have a look at the airflow over here with and without the fan going. Okay, we've made ourselves an airflow detector here out of a Kleenex and a steel rod. The fireplace is on. It's running quite hot now. We should be getting some convectional air coming out of here. And it's moving a little bit. You can see it moving out a little bit. And we're pretty close now. We move farther away, we're not going to see it at all. Now I'm going to turn the fan on. We'll do that again. There we go with the fan going. Here's our airflow detector again. We're a long ways away, and look at that go. You put it right next to it, it's really sailing. That's pumping a lot more air than just the convection method. And you can use this not only on your fireplace, but also if you have any furnace registers that aren't delivering much air, you could adapt this to that as well.